Hey guys, USA here, and I'm just chillaxing.
Hi guys, Canada here. I just wanna say hi.
Warning, may contain inappropriate things.
Hey guys,
swearings,
I'm
and
having an
country
ice cream
DFOGF.
party soon.
Hey Japan mate, why do you have earthquakes?
Hi guys, I'm at an flying saucer.
Boo.
Hi guys, I'm just dancing and my boyfriend Australia is a cop.
Emergency alarm. Emergency alarm.
Hi guys, I'm just doing a trick.
Melee jump scare.
E-I-M just surviving hot sauce.
I like bongo drum.
Wee woo.
Me entering an invisible store.
Get away from me, Pa.
Hey guys, I found a pot of gold.
I'm so dumb. What kind of country am I?
My takeover.
I want my papa.
That's this.
Hey, funny noises.
Kids are playing.
Hee hee, I'm gonna invade Japan.
7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the request of the Arabian Republic of Egypt. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against Egypt. A nuclear warheads has been launched from the United States and they are expected to strike Egypt within 15 minutes. Due to the uncertain facts about this missile, all residences of Egypt should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
Who wants my... Oh, no robot invasion.
Wait, I'm going up.
I can't breathe.
Are you okay, Somalia?
You shouldn't break my ink baguette.
You're going to Brazil.
Wait.
Let's see what happened.
Run, Russia is bombing me.
I'm so tired I wanna have Hoya daddy. Iran please. Oh yeah, some more. Lol, just walking and gonna see the sun.
By the way, bonus question, have you found Lol I'm Funny from China? Let me know. And Ick Algeria x Iran sounds funny, but they date. I will pin if you found it. And also sorry for Ukraine for bombing, and I will be there in WW3. Part 2 soon.
On Italy in public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. Goofy Uncle Productions. I am Cornell. Keep me aboard, I make sales. Used to be inside of jail. Nigga named Gale. Used to puncture my anal. Dummy on my knees, all hell. Corn Darius Gooch.